Orengi inkugwate ogeni tukithina mbere munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na ugitembia iria iracereretwe cia thirikari cia matura ikethirwa ikirekererwa kiumia giki cia mweri wa kana nacio cia mweri wa gatano ikarekererwa igikinyira tariki 19. Kanjo ya magavana kana ngwatano ya magavana nimethiritwe magiteta muno nontu bwa gucererwa kwa mbeca ino iria iratumite kinyagia kurita kwa uthii na mbere kiri thirikari cia makaunti.
Kwa mieri mituku itithia na mbere bwa thirikari cia matura bwithiritwe buthi na nene magavana bamwe ta gavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri bakithietaga kuinga kaunti ni kwaga mbeca kumani na mucemanio wa umndi gatigati ka thirikari nene itongeretwe ni munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua, minister ya kigina na magavana batongeretwe ni mukarigiti wao anu IGURU kwina wero bwa thirikari ino ja kaunti kuona kigina kila gitikirie ni thirikari nene.
Welcome to the Hustlers Mansion at the invitation of the new tenant.
Kulingana na munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua mbesa ilitenankanirito ke thirikari ja kaunti ja mweri wena kethiro ikilewa kiuma giki mbesa ja mweri wetano na kethiro ikilewa mbere tariki 19 mweri wa gathandatu. Mbesa ja mweri wethandatu na kethiro ikilewa mbere ya muthia mwanka wa kigina ile tariki 30 muthia wa mweri ujo.
We have explained to the governors the strain that the National Treasury is undergoing, and they have understood, and after lengthy negotiations we have agreed that the National Treasury will disburse by the end of this week monies owed to the counties for the month of April. We have further agreed that by 19th of June the money owed to the counties for the month of May will be disbursed. The National Treasury has given a commitment with no guarantees that we shall do whatever is possible to try to raise the money for June before the end of the financial year. But if that is not possible, the counties have been requested to bear with us.
Kulingana na munini uju wa rais kigina giki kionde kila kibatili kuliwa kithirikari ino ja kaunti ni bilioni 94.
The amount disbursed so far is 305 billion, and we still have an outstanding 94 billion that is owed to the county for the months of April, May and June. We have agreed that governors will have 2 weeks to interrogate all pending bills and ascertain the ones that are payable and the ones that are not payable.
Kagita gaka kile mucemanio ujo munini ujo wa rais na uliti thirikari ino ja matura kuwatana na thirikari nene kile kuthiria nsobi ja ibango ili kuruga maturani.
We'll be proposing through the CUG a multi-sectoral approach to issues of licensing so that the National Police Service can give an input, the National Government Administration can give an input, and NACADA can give an input so that we can bring some sanity into the issues of licensing. As the national government, we are willing to have a discussion on how we can partner, how the national government can try to create a conditional grant to a certain extent, and the county government can do the rest so that we establish rehabilitation centers in each and every county.
Munini uju wa rais okagita gaka na ultima gavana kuma kaunti ile yandaga kaua ukinya mucemanioni ulokethiro uri kaunti ya Meru na ulokethiro kialilie thina ilia ikwinyiria kimera giki.
That conference is very, very important, and we do urge the governors and the CECs from those areas to attend in person.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, rangi wa Kadenya.